We have received word from the Tyler Commission of Properties that the Tyler Sanctuary ceiling will be repaired and repainted this fall in the month of September. And because of all the scaffolding needed and time required to do the job, the Tyler Sanctuary will be unavailable for our worship use come Sunday morning, September 22nd. In the light of this unavoidable challenge, the Tyler worship services on that Sunday will be held at the Maple campus. In efforts to cause the least amount of disruption, the Tyler worship times will remain the same, 8:30 and 11. The music will remain the same, with the hymns that you know and love, along with the usual liturgy. The regular 10 a.m. Maple worship service will be offered at 9:45 to accommodate the additional services that Sunday morning. There will be people at the Maple campus that Sunday also to help with parking and to know where to go. It is hoped that you will take advantage of this opportunity to join together in one location. Yes, it would be easier to not bother and maybe skip church that day, but instead, make the effort and receive the welcome and hospitality that is being prepared for you at the Maple campus on Sunday, September 22nd.